What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. I want to thank you guys to all my new subscribers, all my OG subscribers. I'm on my way to 10,000 subscribers, so please hit that button down below and help me on my journey. But anywho, that's not what we're here to talk about today. I want to talk about why I think every small business should have a Cricut in their arsenal, and just give you a few reasons why I think you should, and hopefully convince you to get one. So guys, the first things first, let's just get right into the video. No matter what you sell, whether you sell candles, lotion, signs, decals, whatever you sell, I think Cricut would be a great thing to have to make product labels for your products. So whether you sell, say you sell lotions, you can make your own labels, you can cut them out with your Cricut, and it will save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Why I say, I know there's so many services out there that you can get labels created for you and have them printed and shipped to your home and stuff, but just like any other business owner, say you have cocoa butter lotion, and you come up with this great design, you print it out, you get it on the actual bottle, because you know things look different from the computer than when you actually print them out, and you hate it. And if you went with the service, you now have 60 of those labels that you hate and you can't use. So why not be able to test multiple labels out, multiple sizes, multiple colors, multiple designs with your Cricut? So I definitely think, especially for new businesses who are not so sure of who they are yet, I think having a Cricut to make your labels is a definitely a great idea. It can help you in the beginning, it can help you once you're more established, and it'll allow you to have that flexibility and creativity when it comes to labeling your products. So the next thing that I think every business should have a Cricut, and why you should, is to make thank you cards. So whether you're selling on Shopify, Etsy, Facebook Market, whatever, when you have a handmade product, because 9 times out of 10 if you have a small business, your things are going to be not a small business, I can't say that because there's different types of small business, but if you're on this channel and you're watching this video, 9 times out of 10 you have a handmade product. And with that personalization of thank you cards is something that those big brands just do not have, and that's what makes small businesses different, and it keeps your customers returning, and also makes them feel special. It makes them feel like you actually care, that their order meant something to you as a small business. And the easiest way and the cheapest way that you can do that is with thank you cards. And you can customize your thank you cards, which I think is great with a Cricut. So you can come up with 4 different designs. Say someone buys a package from you and you want to match your thank you card with your package, you can do that. Whereas if you go like myself and go get your thank you cards printed, like for example myself, I had my thank you cards printed, now I'm doing a whole rebrand. So now I'm out of the $40 that I spent on thank you cards, where I could have just made my own with my Cricut and just said, okay, I'm not going to use these anymore, I can use different ones. Or I could have made a smaller amount so that once I did rebrand, I wouldn't have any waste. So definitely thank you cards are a great way to personalize your products and your packages, and also is a great use for your Cricut for a small business. So you get it. Another thing that I talked about, and I talked about this in another video too, is custom packaging. Why I think it's great to have a Cricut for a small business is, even if you're not, so the video that I talked about is my unique ways to make money with Cricut. So if you're not making packaging for other companies, you can make them for yourself too. So no matter what you sell, you're gonna get poly mailers, you're gonna get boxes, you have to ship your products in something, right? So why not customize that for an inexpensive price? You can customize it by making vinyl decals to add to boxes and to bubble mailers. You can make stickers to add to those same things, boxes and bubble mailers, or whatever you use for your products. Some people use I think it's cellophane wrappers on top of their products, like if you sell body butters or lotions, so that they don't spill and mess up anything else in the package. And shipping, you can customize your cellophane wrappers. There's so many options out there to customize your packaging, and those options that are printed are way expensive. So getting a Cricut, I definitely think, is a great investment if you want to make custom packaging for your brand. And if you want to make it for other brands, check out my unique ways to make Cricut video. I will link that down below. Another thing that you can make is business logo clothing. Like, I didn't know what to exactly name this, but you know how you go to McDonald's, they have their uniform. Well, not really a uniform because it's your business, small business, but anyway, you can make like promotional clothing for your brand. So say you're going to a festival and you don't want to wear regular clothing, you want something with your brand name on it, so that people would not only see your booth, but they see you wearing your brand name, and they kind of get that in their mind that, okay, this is what the brand is, because you know people need to see your brand multiple times before they recognize it. So you can easily make your own custom clothing. Like, say clothing is not what you sell, but you want to make some t-shirts for an event. You want to maybe just on your regular day while you're walking around be a walking billboard for your product or your business. Making some customized clothing that says Lace Spaces, which is my brand. I could wear that out wherever, and it's very easy to make with my Cricut. Just buy some materials, and I definitely think that's a great way to not only advertise your business, but to also, you know, be your own biggest celebrity, be your own biggest supporter by making that customized clothing. So that's definitely another great use for a Cricut for a business, and why I really think that you should have one. The other idea kind of wraps in with that, is why I think that every small business should have a Cricut. So say you are doing festivals, farmers markets, whatever type of event that you're going, and you're gonna be selling items for your business. So you know, a lot of businesses a lot of businesses have promotional products that are not necessarily things that they're selling, but things that you take along with you, so that you see a pin that says Lace Spaces, you say, oh, okay, I remember Lace Spaces, and may have number or the website or something like that. Those promotional products cost, you know what I'm saying? So why not make your own promotional products with your Cricut for your business? So you can make custom pins. You can go buy a pack of pins and put small vinyl letters with your logo, with your website on them. Maybe you want to do little keychains or things that people are going to actually use, and that will remind them of your business. So definitely making customized branded items to give out for free while you're at those craft fairs is another great way to use your Cricut for your business. So another thing that you can use your Cricut for your business is something that's basic and that everyone should have, is business cards. Business cards are not out of style, they're not out of date. They're a great promotional tool for your business, and why not make your business cards with your Cricut? You can get some card stock and spend a little bit of time and cut out as many business cards as you need for your business. What's great about making your own business cards versus buying them is that, say you ran out of business cards, they fell on the ground, they fell in water, something happened to them, and you have an event tomorrow and you need those cards ASAP. Instead of having to go get them printed, have to run to Kinko's or FedEx or Staples, wherever you get your stuff printed at, you can literally go to your home printer, print out a few sheets of business cards, cut it out with your Cricut, and be on your way without a worry in the world. So creating your own business cards with your Cricut is definitely a great benefit. To be able to do it on demand, quickly, instantly, is definitely a great benefit for your business, as well as another reason why I think every business should have a Cricut. And the last thing that I'm going to talk about, I'm going to keep this one short and sweet for you guys, is organization. Every business needs organizational structure to know where your items are if you make things, where your products are if you just sell things. You need organization. You need to know where your labels are, where your tags are, where, if these are small shirts, if these are medium shirts, these are large shirts. And having a Cricut is a great way to make custom organizational titles, stickers, vinyls, whatever. If you have, like, for instance, I don't know if I have a picture of my organizational space for my candle making area, but if I do, I'll put it here on the screen. And I have a whole bunch of bins, but they had no labels on them. They were like, I had to crack open each bin to see what was in, you know, in there. So what was great for me was now I saved so much time by labeling each bin, and it allowed me to have great organization in my candle making area, so I can say I need to go 1, 2, and 3, pick out everything I need in 30 seconds versus taking 5 to 10 minutes to look through every single bin that I have, every single area that I have, to find what I'm looking for. So having your business organized is a big way to keep you on track, to keep you spending your time wisely, and organization is it just makes things easier. So those are 6 things. Wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, guys. So those are 7 reasons why I think every small business should have a Cricut. If you have any other, you know, ideas or reasons why a small business should have a Cricut, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know, because maybe I'll make a part 2 of this video if you guys enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching. Also, if you're interested in interior design and decorating, go ahead and add my new channel, Akira's World, down below. A lot of content will be coming out on that channel if you are a decor lover. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.